a crackling fire, good company, and a steaming bowl of Bigos. This rustic polished stew has warmed hungry travelers and families alike for generations. Today, we are bringing that same comforting tradition into our kitchen. Hunter stew, made with cabbage and different meats. Bigos, from Poland. Let's make it. Join me. The heart of Bigos is in the use of sauerkraut. For this recipe, we shall be using part sauerkraut and part fresh cabbage. So we need white cabbage, dried mushroom, any kind of mushroom will do, dried pitted prunes, garlic, onion, and the sauerkraut, which I am using this brand I found in our supermarket. You can use different kinds of fresh meat and cured meat combination. For this recipe, we shall be using smoked sausage, smoked bacon, fresh pork shoulder, and German bratwurst. Here's the complete list of ingredients. First, soak the dried mushroom in hot water. Set aside. Prepare the fresh cabbage by shredding finely. Chop the onion. Mince the garlic. After 20 minutes, the mushroom will be ready. Remove stem. Cut into small pieces. Cut the dried prunes into small pieces as well. Now, let's prepare the meat. Cut the smoked bacon, bratwurst, smoked sausage, and pork shoulder into roughly the same sizes.
Liking this video is like giving us a hug. Share this video with a friend, leave a comment if you want to share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And tap the notification bell, that way we can hang out more.
In a pot over medium heat, cook the smoked bacon until fat is released. Add in the bratwurst and the smoked sausage. When lightly brown, remove and set aside. In the same oil, brown the pork shoulder pieces on all sides. Remove and set aside. Now, let us cook the vegetables. Dip an onion and garlic into the pan. Cook until transparent. Add the mushroom. Then add in the fresh cabbage. Stir for about 5 minutes until soft. Dip in the sauerkraut. Pour in the chicken stock and the red wine. Add allspice, bay leaves, and ground black pepper. Return the meat into the pan. Add tomato paste. Stir well and simmer for 2 hours in very low heat. Stir in the dried prunes in the last 30 minutes. Now, there are saucier versions of Bigos, but in the recipe, we are making a drier one, which produces deeper taste and better texture. Also, for even better result, make your Bigos 1 day before serving. And there you have it, my dear friends. Hunter stew, Bigos, from Poland. Thank you for all your love and comments. I'll see you again next week.
Our channel grows one video at a time. If you'd like to help along, support us with Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you.
There are more plushy videos to watch and enjoy. Just click here. Thank you.